Samsung is all set for a big reveal of their Galaxy S24 series, and it's going to answer all the wild rumors swirling around. Everyone's been talking about whether the S24 Ultra will feature satellite connectivity like the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but it seems that might not be the case. The big launch is happening mid-January, and we're expecting 3 models: the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and the S24 Ultra. Here's a twist: the S24 Ultra might hit the market sooner than expected, which could mean skipping the satellite feature. This feature was supposed to be for emergency SOS when you're off the grid. Nonetheless, the S24 Ultra is still set to impress with upgrades like a titanium frame, a sleek new display, a powerful CPU, and an enhanced 50-megapixels telephoto camera. The standard S24 and S24 Plus might be a bit more budget-friendly this time around, but the Ultra could come with a higher price tag. Prices are expected to start at €899 for the S24 and €1,149 for the S24 Plus. The Ultra might start around €1,449, with a 1 terabyte version also in the works, though its price remains a mystery. Stay tuned for more exciting details, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest scoop.